City Manager Doug Hewitt presented the recommended fiscal year 2022 annual balanced budget to City Council on May 10th at the City Council regular meeting. The recommended $239 million budget maintains existing services with no tax increase and no increase in stormwater, transit, or solid waste fees. With the continued backdrop of COVID-19, this recommended budget prioritizes Council's commitments to public safety, infrastructure, and stormwater management. The recommended budget will be reviewed in depth by the City Council at future budget work sessions and will be broadcast to the public via Zoom. Visit the Public Notices section on the City's website for more information. Prior to adoption, the public is invited to participate in a May 24th public hearing to share their thoughts about the budget. Anyone wishing to participate should sign up in advance through the clerk's office. The final budget must be adopted by Council on or before June 30th, which is the last day of the city's fiscal year. To review the recommended budget, visit fayetteville.nc.gov/recommended budget. Baseball is back! After more than 600 days since their last home game, the Fayetteville Woodpeckers took to the field of Segra Stadium on May 11th to a sold-out crowd. COVID-19 canceled last year's season, and fans were ready to watch some baseball. Because of precautions to limit the spread of COVID-19, capacity for Segra Stadium was limited to a little over 25%. The Woodpeckers will expand capacity for future games this summer based on guidance from the state and the CDC. Kicking off the evening, the Black Daggers parachuted in with the game ball, and the 82nd Airborne Chorus performed the national anthem. The first home run of the season was from Matthew Barefoot, who is from the area and played baseball for Campbell University. The Woodpeckers didn't disappoint with a win for the home team against the Kannapolis Cannonballers. The final score was 10-1. Fireworks concluded the festivities for the evening. To learn more about the upcoming season for the Fayetteville Woodpeckers, visit their website at fayettevillewoodpeckers.com. Beginning July 1st, the City of Fayetteville recycling schedule moves from weekly to bi-weekly collection. Once routes are established, solid waste customers will be assigned to a Group A or Group B collection schedule, which will be posted on the city's solid waste website at fayetteville.nc.gov/solid waste. Magnets will be distributed to residents to help them remember their assigned A or B group and schedule. The purchase of 64,000 new, larger recycling carts were approved by Council to help make this transition. Crews have begun to replace the current 35-gallon carts with a nearly 3 times larger 96-gallon cart. Customers should place their cart, even if empty, at the curb on their normally scheduled recycling day for a curbside replacement. There will be no cost to Fayetteville residents to upgrade to a new 96-gallon cart. Customers must turn in the small cart to receive the new larger cart, for which the city will receive a rebate from the company administering the program. Customers who already have a 96-gallon cart can still receive a new cart and use both to recycle, or they can choose not to accept a new cart and keep their current 96-gallon cart. The total cost for the new carts is approximately $3.3 million. The city will use a loan to cover those costs. In the long term, the city will see significant cost savings. The estimated annual cost savings after the payoff of cart replacements could exceed $800,000. City Market is now open. The spring kickoff was held on Saturday, May 8th. This farmers and crafters market is located in the heart of downtown Fayetteville and is operated by the Fayetteville History Museum. At City Market, you'll find a variety of handcrafted items such as candles, soaps, blended teas, jewelry, and pottery, just to name a few. Fresh, locally grown vegetables, fruits, eggs, honey, and other products are offered for sale. City Market at the museum is held every Saturday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and is located at 325 Franklin Street. While at the City Market, be sure to visit the Fayetteville History Museum to explore 2 floors of exhibits illustrating the rich history of Fayetteville. Admission to the museum is free. For more information, visit fcpr.us/historymuseum. A ribbon-cutting ceremony for the new Gilmore splash pad was held on Friday, May 14th. The splash pad was completed in October of 2019, but was unable to open the following spring due to COVID-19. It features numerous ground spray elements and vertical elements designed to allow ease of access for individuals using mobility devices. The new splash pad is a project funded by the Parks and Recreation Bond approved in 2016. Splash pads across the county are now open for all ages and are free of charge.